Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another video. Now if you recall, and I've got a video about this and I'll link that video down below for you. About 4 years ago I did install some Gardenglo solar path lights and they came in a 10 pack and I installed them at the front of our property and I filmed a whole video about it, how I did it, etc, etc. Now that was 4 years ago, which is quite some time for cheap solar garden lights. And look, a lot of them have stopped working and some of them are still working. So let's go outside and I'll show you during the day what they look like. Now here's a look during the day. You can see there, these lenses have faded. They don't really clean, they faded. The solar panels still look good and some of these still work and some of them don't. Which, look, they still look all right considering how long they've been out here. But let's come back tonight and see how many of these still work. Now on this side there's only 2 of my lights that are still working. Now the other side's fared a bit better. There's 3 there still working. There's 1, 2 there in the middle that are out. And there's another one that's working and I think then there's another 2 that are out. After 4 years, and back then those lights cost me $20, so I think they were $19.95. And look, after 4 years, I think I've got my money's worth out of it. So I went back to Bunnings to see what they sell these days. And I picked these up, a 10 pack of pathway lights. These are different brand, these are Click brand. And they were actually cheaper than the original ones that I've got out there. The original ones cost me about $19 or $20, I believe. And these are $15.95 or $16 I think I paid for them. So that's pretty good. It's actually something that is cheaper 4 years down the track. I would have thought they'd be more expensive. And look, these look pretty good. It's a 10 pack, black coated stainless steel, it claims. Now the big thing that I've noticed straight away, and a lot of people probably don't pick up on those details, but it's just in my nature, that's what I do. These run 200 milliamp hour NiCad AAA batteries. Now I've pulled out a battery from one of the Gardenglo solar lights, and these are also NiCad AAA batteries, but they're only 150 milliamp hours at 1.2 volts. Now these are 200 milliamp hours at 1.2 volts. So they've got 1/4 more power than what the old Gardenglo ones had. So we've got cheaper lights, stainless steel. They seem to be actually better quality than the Gardenglo ones, which have lasted me 4 years. And they've got a bigger battery, 1/4 bigger, so 150 versus 200 at the same volt rating. And they claim a runtime up to 6 to 8 hours. And it does say allow 8 hours to charge under full sunlight, etc, etc. But that's normal. So we'll try and get these ones out pretty much straight away now. Well, it's about lunchtime on Sunday today. And the sun's out, so, and look, we haven't had sun. I haven't seen sun for about a month, so this is like the first time. I've actually been out this morning mowing the lawn and I still haven't finished, but I thought, look, I better get these solar lights out and then I'm going to keep mowing my lawn once I get these installed. It's only a quick job and let's go out and do it, and then we'll come back at night time and see how they look. What I've done here, I've trimmed down this stem to be only about probably 50 millimeters long. I didn't measure it, I just cut it. I also trimmed down the plastic spike on the bottom of it. And so now we've got a smaller lamp, which I think will look a little bit better, raised up off the timber there. And there's drain holes in the bottom of these to allow water to drain out. So to allow proper drainage, what I'll do, I'll push that in there. It's a little bit of a tight fit. There you go. Now we put the light on top. And that's the final look there. So this will now allow the water to drain out. and it keeps the extra light away from the timber a little bit. Plus I think it actually looks better that way. Not sure why I've never thought of that before. And here it is compared to the original, how it used to be. I think the new way looks a lot better. And all the neighbours are now mowing their lawns. I've already done mine. Now it's night time, it's a very, very dark night tonight. And there's all the lights, they look quite good. So they're quite bright. I mean, the camera adjusts for the lights, so you're not really getting the full picture. So there's one side of the property, right up to the gate. And there's the other side. I'm pretty happy with that. They've had about a good 5 or 6 hours of charging, so hopefully if the sun stays out tomorrow, they'll get a full day's charge into those batteries. Look, overall I'm very happy with it. For $16, you honestly can't go wrong with these. I would recommend these, and look, they're getting better, and solar technology will get better as time goes on, I guess. Now, if you've got any questions about these lights, do me a favour, leave your question down below, and I'll try and answer it to the best of my ability. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful at all, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.